Meet Smart Valve, the game changer your truck didn't know it needed. This smart electronic controller automatically adjusts your fifth wheel to the perfect height, making every ride smoother, safer, and more fuel efficient. Need to slide under a low trailer? No problem. Smart Valve handles it effortlessly. In its advanced version, it even manages your truck's ground clearance. Here's where it gets really clever. Once your speed crosses 11 km per hour, it resets clearance to your preferred setting without you lifting a finger. And if your trailer's got a low deck, Smart Valve can raise it just enough to glide over bumps and rough roads with ease. The result? Less strain on your suspension, reduced fuel consumption, and lower repair costs. It's not just making your truck perform better, it's saving you money mile after mile. Smart Valve isn't just an upgrade. It's the future of trucking, built to keep you moving smarter, longer, and more efficiently than ever before.
A truck equipped with the Smart Valve system can dive under a load trailer and achieve better aerodynamics on the road. Convenient for sure, but that's just the basic version of Smart Valve with manual control. There's also a more advanced automatic version. For example, if the driver forgets to reset the ride height after hooking up a trailer, Smart Valve will do it automatically once the truck reaches 11 km/h. As a result, you get a smoother ride, better fuel economy, and lower risk of injury.
The Volvo VNL truck is a modern engineering masterpiece designed to upgrade the trucking experience. It focuses on driver comfort, safety, and efficiency, all packed in a stylish and bold design. Its unique curved windshield and sharp angular shape improve both looks and aerodynamics. The truck delivers strong performance with 405 to 500 horsepower and 1,950 pound-feet of torque, powered by the D13 engine and I-Shift automated manual transmission. Volvo's advanced safety system adds smart features like lane keeping assist, pedestrian detection, and collision avoidance to help drivers stay safe on the road. These systems are designed to reduce risks and improve overall driving confidence. Whether you choose a brand new or pre-owned model, the price usually ranges from $140,000 to $180,000 based on the version and condition. The Volvo VNL combines power, technology, and safety to meet the needs of modern trucking.
Imagine a truck that adjusts its own height to match every road and load. That's exactly what the ZF OptiRide ECAS system delivers. This smart suspension technology constantly analyzes axle load and driving conditions, then fine-tunes pressure automatically. On highways, it lowers the truck for better aerodynamics and smoother fuel efficiency. At loading docks, it raises itself to the perfect height, making unloading faster, easier, and especially effective for draining the last drop from tanker trailers. What sets it apart is its simplicity. With up to 60% fewer components than traditional systems, ECAS isn't just smarter, it's lighter, more reliable, and easier to maintain. And whether you prefer automatic convenience or manual control, this system adapts seamlessly to both. The result? A smoother ride, reduced tire wear, and lower fuel costs, all while giving drivers and operators less hassle on the job. ZF OptiRide ECAS isn't just suspension, it's a smarter way to move goods, shaping the future of transport with every mile.
Conditions of operation in the far north are very challenging and not every vehicle can withstand them. But this four-wheel drive all-terrain vehicle developed in Russia will have no problems because it was specially designed to work in the most inaccessible corners of our planet. The cross-country freight truck has a payload capacity of up to 30 tons, but shows a very low pressure on the ground. It's about 3 times lower than its competitors. It's noteworthy that the chassis of the cross-country vehicle can be used to build a completely different functional vehicle. It can be turned into a fuel tanker, a repair shop on wheels, a crane, a container truck, or a winter road machine.
This bizarre vehicle looks more like a giant caterpillar stomping on sedans than a truck. Meet the Boss Road, created by a team of French engineers for the Cascaders Motor Show. Never heard of it? It's a roaring stunt event where old cars are flattened into scrap metal under the cheers of the crowd. Building the Boss Road took over 3,300 hours. Its dimensions are just as impressive. 13 m long, 3.5 m tall, and 3.4 m wide. Each of its 10 wheels wears a 1.6 m tall tire. Under the hood, there are 2 diesel engines with a combined 800 horsepower. It's useless on the street, but in the arena, It's the undisputed king of destruction. Swedish truck, the Volvo Iron Knight, leaves many sports cars in the dust. It holds the official FIA world speed record for trucks. It covered 1000 m in just 21.29 seconds and 500 m in only 13.71 seconds. Its top officially recorded speed is 276 km/h. The size is just as impressive. Despite being the length of a standard tractor unit, it weighs only 4.5 tons thanks to its lightweight plastic body. The exhaust system alone is something to marvel at. It sounds like a rocket launch. And with all the air ducts and other aerodynamic tweaks, it looks like something straight out of the future. Who knows, maybe it'll break its own speed record one day. Trucks absorb sunlight. This is not nonsense, but a great idea brought to life by the creators of the solar on top system. It's important to clarify that we're not talking about fully solar-powered trucks. The energy collected is used, for example, to power hydraulic systems, headlights, or the air conditioning system. However, the fuel savings are significant, more than 3,000 L per year. In this effortless way, you can save a lot of money. In addition, solar on top reduces CO2 emissions by about 9 tons per year. That is like the driver planting several acres of forest. And if these benefits are not enough, there are more. Less strain on the engine, longer battery life, and reduced vibrations. Tractor trailers are now more fuel efficient without needing complex modifications or long downtimes. This isn't wishful thinking, but the real deal thanks to Truck Wings, an aerodynamic device that addresses a major issue with tractor trailers. The idea is simple and clever. Truck Wings panels close the gap between the tractor and the trailer, both on the sides and the roof. The device activates automatically when the speed reaches around 83 km/h. What's the result? Fuel savings of up to 6%. That means Truck Wings pays for itself in about 2 years. And of course, it's worth noting its quick 2-hour installation and impressive versatility. Truck Wings fits any truck, whether old or new, diesel or electric.
Imagine taking a 5-star hotel with you wherever you go. That's exactly what the Brabus Big Boy 1200 delivers, a motorhome built for the future of luxury travel. Sitting on a powerful Mercedes Actros platform and crafted in collaboration with SDX Motorhomes, this beast is more than just an RV, it's a moving mansion. With over 30 square meters of living space, it expands even further thanks to dual slide-outs, stretching the interior to a roomy 4.5 meters. Powering this 26-ton giant is a 12.8-liter turbo diesel engine packing 530 horsepower and a massive 2,600 Newton-meters of torque. Despite its size, it cruises comfortably at speeds up to 90 kilometers per hour. But it's not just about muscle, it's packed with brains too. A 360 degrees camera system ensures safety, Starlink keeps you connected anywhere on the planet, and solar panels give you sustainable energy on the go. Priced at €1.26 million, the Big Boy 1200 isn't just transportation, it's freedom, power, and pure indulgence on wheels. Ready to take your truck off-road like never before? Meet the DV8 Off-Road Truck Mount, a rugged game-changer built for true adventurers. This isn't just a spare tire holder. With its smart width adjustment ranging from 18 to 35.5 centimeters, it transforms into a versatile mount that can even carry motorcycles or other heavy gear. That's flexibility most mounts can't match. Installation? Around an hour and a half. Price? $490 for durability that pays for itself on every trail. But the real brilliance is in the side panels, designed to hold essentials like shovels, jerrycans, or extra tools. Everything you need for the wild is right within reach. For off-road enthusiasts, this mount isn't just an accessory, it's peace of mind. It keeps your gear secure, expands your truck's capability, and ensures you're ready for anything the road, or lack of it, throws your way. The DV8 off-road truck mount doesn't just carry your load. It redefines what your truck can do. MDTU-20. When the road throws its toughest challenges, the MDTU-20 is the truck that rises to the call. Built for towing and recovery with unmatched precision, this beast is more than just a vehicle, it's raw power on wheels. Equipped with a worm gear winch capable of pulling up to 8 tons, it handles heavy hauls without breaking a sweat. Need serious lifting muscle? The boom can raise a staggering 20 tons, making even the most demanding jobs feel effortless. Control is just as impressive. Thanks to its wireless remote, you can operate from a safe, convenient distance. No need to stay glued to the truck. Add in the advanced lighting package, complete with strobes and tool compartment illumination, and it's ready to perform day or night. What makes the MDT-U20 even more remarkable is its adaptability. The manufacturer can customize it to meet your exact needs, turning this machine into more than a truck. It becomes a true extension of your expertise. The MDT-U20 doesn't just move loads, it moves limits.
The OOD Golden House looks like it came straight out of a storybook. Whether it's tucked into a quiet forest or resting beside a calm lake, its golden wood exterior shines softly in the sunlight, blending modern style with a natural, cozy feel. Inside, it's small but stunning. Smooth wood panels, a sleek minimalist kitchen, and a comfy sleeping loft make it feel more like a boutique retreat than a regular tiny home. Every corner is carefully designed to feel warm, stylish, and inviting. A wide panoramic window brings the outdoors in, filling the space with light and offering breathtaking views that change with the seasons. It's the perfect spot for a weekend escape, a peaceful studio, or even a charming guest house. Priced at around $88,000, the OOD Golden House is more than just a place to stay. It's a blend of high-end craftsmanship, smart design, and natural beauty. It gives you a sense of calm, luxury, and connection to nature, all wrapped into one elegant little home. Volvo VNR Electric. The Volvo VNR Electric is a modern and eco-friendly heavy-duty truck designed for city use. It comes with a 565 kilowatt battery, allowing it to drive up to 170 miles on a single charge. Charging is quick. A full charge with 6 batteries takes only 90 minutes, making it ideal for daily operations. With 455 horsepower, the truck offers strong performance, fast acceleration, and can easily handle heavy loads. It's also a cost-saving choice for companies, thanks to programs like California's Hybrid and Zero-Emission Truck and Bus Voucher Incentive Project. This program provides up to $120,000 per vehicle, making the transition to electric trucks more affordable. The Volvo VNR Electric highlights Volvo's commitment to clean energy and innovation in transportation. It's a smart step forward for businesses looking for powerful, reliable, and sustainable electric trucks suited for modern-day needs. The Walmart Advanced Truck, shown in the Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience, is a futuristic hybrid tractor-trailer from the Range Extended series. Designed to improve transportation, it reduces aerodynamic drag by 20%, which helps increase fuel efficiency by around 10%. This truck uses a capstone turbine engine that can work with different fuels like diesel, biofuels, and liquefied natural gas. To make it lighter, carbon fiber was used in the body, cutting down about 4,000 pounds. It comes with a 45.5 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, offering various driving modes, including a fully electric mode that's perfect for city driving. You don't need to worry about the price, as this model is only built for testing and research, so no official price has been shared. The Wave reflects Walmart's commitment to environmentally friendly technology and shows their smart approach toward managing future transport fleets efficiently and sustainably. XCMG XDR80 TEATT, a leading Chinese machinery company, has partnered with Brazilian mining giant Vale to develop the XDR80TE electric mining dump truck. But they've taken it a step further by introducing a concept for the XDR80TEAT, packed with 2 innovative operation modes. The first mode is remote control, which is more advanced than most systems. The operator can hear real-time audio from the site, giving them extra control over the truck's movements. The second mode is fully autonomous, where the truck navigates through mines and work zones completely on its own, guided by AI. One of the standout features is the rapid battery swap system, allowing the truck's battery to be replaced in just 6 minutes. This speed and efficiency will revolutionize mining operations, reducing downtime and improving productivity. With these advanced features, the XDR80TEAT is set to make mining safer and more efficient than ever before.
Imagine your truck quietly sipping sunlight while saving thousands in fuel. That's the genius behind solar on top. a system that turns your truck's roof into a mini
Ons
solar
product kan
station.
zowel bij nieuwe
Now,
als bij
let's be
bestaande wagens.
clear, this isn't about driving on sunlight alone. Instead, it powers the essentials: hydraulic systems, headlights, air conditioning, and more. The result? Over 3,000 liters of fuel saved every year, without changing how you drive. And it's not just about money. Solar on top cuts carbon dioxide emissions by 9 tons annually, the same as planting several acres of forest. It's cleaner air, without extra effort. The perks keep stacking up. Reduced strain on the engine, batteries that last longer, and fewer vibrations for a smoother ride. In short, it's sunlight turned into pure efficiency. One simple upgrade, and your truck becomes smarter, greener, and lighter on your wallet. The road ahead just got brighter. Imagine your ad cruising right alongside your audience. Gorilla LED trucks turn ordinary streets into moving billboards that can't be ignored. With ultra-bright LED screens, your message stays crystal clear, even under the blazing midday sun. No glare, no distractions, just pure visibility. And here's the real kicker. These trucks deliver up to 720 ad displays a day, giving your brand a presence that sticks far longer than any static billboard. But they're not just about looks. Built-in Wi-Fi, high-quality sound, and live streaming capabilities transform each ride into a full-on show on wheels. Whether it's a product launch, an event, or a campaign blitz, your message doesn't just get seen, it gets experienced. While others pay for dusty billboards no one notices, you're making every street your stage. With Gorilla LED trucks, advertising doesn't wait for the audience, it finds them. Meet the future of long-haul driving. The Mack Pioneer isn't just another truck on the highway, it's a glimpse into the future of transport. With its bold design and cutting-edge safety tech, this beast is built to protect both driver and road. Step inside, and you'll notice something familiar. The cabin design comes straight from Volvo's VN series. That means drivers get a modern, comfortable space with all the refinements of its Swedish counterpart. But what truly sets the Pioneer apart is the Mack Protect system, designed with safety as the top priority. Picture this: forward collision warnings, blind spot alerts, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assistance, all working together like a second pair of eyes. It even reads road signs and detects pedestrians from the front and sides, ensuring no detail is missed. A sleek head-up display projects key information right onto the windshield, so drivers never lose focus. This isn't just innovation for the sake of it, it's a real solution to the daily challenges truckers face. The Mack Pioneer proves that safety and power can share the same road. Because the future of trucking isn't just about getting there, it's about getting there safer. Meet the MK1E Master, the trailer that's rewriting the rules of freight transport. This isn't your everyday hauler. The MK1E Master is the world's first fully electric translifter, a trailer with a smart mechanism that lifts and rotates its rear axles for better control and efficiency. But here's the real game changer. It runs on zero fuel, saving an average of $35,000 every single year. Powered by an advanced electro-hydraulic system, the MK1E Master works independently without needing to stay connected to a semi-truck. It's versatile too, compatible with both modern electric vehicles and classic diesel tractors. That means companies can upgrade their fleet without replacing every truck they own. By combining cutting-edge engineering with cost-saving efficiency, the MK1E Master proves that the future of freight isn't decades away, it's already here, ready to roll. This isn't just innovation, it's the new standard for moving the world. The Stu car carrier trailer isn't just a hauler, it's a shape-shifting powerhouse. With the ability to fold and transform, it can carry up to 3 vans or 6 passenger cars at once. That's the kind of smart flexibility every transporter dreams of. But power means nothing without strength. That's why Stu builds this trailer from S355J2 plus N steel, the same tough material used in cranes and dump trucks. Every inch is designed to take on heavy loads with confidence, giving drivers peace of mind on every journey. Practicality is built right in. 2 winches and a remote control system make loading smoother and faster, while optional hydraulic suspension and heavy-duty axles rated up to 14 tons push performance even further. This isn't just a trailer, it's a smarter way to move vehicles. By combining flexibility, durability, and advanced engineering, the STU car carrier redefines what heavy transport can be. Strength and adaptability, packed into one machine. Imagine repairing an entire road with just a van and a small trailer. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. VNR ECAS, developed by the Finnish company VNR, is transforming how road maintenance gets done. Unlike traditional methods that demand heavy machinery and a full crew, this smart system works with just a compact trailer attached to a regular vehicle. Its design is straightforward but powerful. A single driver can now perform tasks that once required multiple workers and specialized equipment. This means faster operations, lower costs, and less disruption to traffic. By cutting out the need for bulky machinery, it also makes road repair accessible in places where large equipment can't easily go. The brilliance of VNR ECAS lies in its simplicity, taking something as complex as roadwork and turning it into a one-person job. That's not just innovation, it's a complete shift in how we think about infrastructure maintenance. In a world racing toward efficiency, VNR ECAS shows that sometimes the smartest solutions are also the simplest. Imagine driving a massive truck through a busy city, and suddenly a cyclist darts in front of you. That split second can mean everything, and that's where Manfront detection steps in. This smart collision prevention system keeps an extra set of eyes on the road. Using a windshield-mounted camera and twin radar sensors built into the bumper, it constantly scans the space ahead. If a pedestrian or cyclist gets too close, it immediately warns the driver, first with a visual alert, then with a sharp audio signal. In packed urban streets, where traffic is unpredictable and intersections are chaotic, this technology becomes a real game changer. Whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or rolling slowly through a crowded area under 10 km per hour, Manfront detection acts as a safety net, reducing blind spots and giving drivers crucial reaction time. By combining precision sensors with real-world awareness, it doesn't just protect drivers, it protects lives. In today's cities, safety isn't optional, it's essential, and this system makes sure no one slips through the cracks. Meet Smart Valve, the game changer your truck didn't know it needed. This smart electronic controller automatically adjusts your fifth wheel to the perfect height, making every ride smoother, safer, and more fuel efficient. Need to slide under a low trailer? No problem. Smart Valve handles it effortlessly. In its advanced version, it even manages your truck's ground clearance. Here's where it gets really clever. Once your speed crosses 11 km per hour, it resets clearance to your preferred setting without you lifting a finger. And if your trailer's got a low deck, Smart Valve can raise it just enough to glide over bumps and rough roads with ease. The result? Less strain on your suspension, reduced fuel consumption, and lower repair costs. It's not just making your truck perform better, it's saving you money mile after mile. Smart Valve isn't just an upgrade. It's the future of trucking, built to keep you moving smarter, longer, and more efficiently than ever before. Imagine driving long hours on the road and stepping into a cabin that feels more like home than a truck. That's exactly what LeMax has created. These sleeper cabins aren't just built for compatibility with major truck brands like Renault and Evco. They're designed with the driver's comfort at the core. Their sleek aerodynamic shape reduces wind drag, saving fuel and cutting costs for fleet owners. But the real magic lies inside. LeMax cabins are sound insulated, blocking out road noise so drivers can finally rest. Some models even feature a mini kitchen, letting you cook on the go, something unheard of in most freight cabins. Comfort doesn't stop there. You'll find spacious beds up to 200 by 70 centimeters, a built-in heater for cold nights, a table, a sunroof, and even an extra bed for company. With LeMax, freight transport transforms from a tough grind into a more human, livable experience. This isn't just innovation for trucks, it's innovation for people. Imagine taking the comfort of a 5-star hotel and putting it on wheels. This is the MRL Grand Empire 26T. Built on the powerful Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, this motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving palace. At its heart lies a 12.8-liter turbo diesel engine delivering 530 horsepower and a massive 2,600 Nm of torque, making sure it glides smoothly no matter the road ahead. Stretching 12 meters long and weighing in at 26 tons, the Grand Empire is designed for both strength and elegance. Inside, You're greeted with spacious living areas, royal leather seating, and double-glazed windows that keep the world outside while you relax in absolute quiet. The premium kitchen and smart hydraulic leveling system turn every stop into a home, no matter where you park. With a 500-liter fuel tank and 12-speed automated transmission, it's engineered for long, worry-free journeys. But what truly sets it apart is the way it blends raw power with unmatched luxury. The MRL Grand Empire 26T isn't just transportation, it's the future of independent, high-end travel. Hook. Imagine cutting your truck's fuel bill without complicated upgrades or weeks in the shop. Sounds impossible? Meet Truck Wings, the simple device making it happen. Features and benefits. Truck Wings is an aerodynamic panel system that seals the gap between a tractor and its trailer, on both the sides and the roof. Once your truck hits around 83 km per hour, it deploys automatically, no buttons, no hassle. Context and real-world impact. This smart design tackles one of the biggest causes of drag for tractor trailers, delivering up to 6% fuel savings. For most fleets, that means the device pays for itself in just 2 years, and keeps saving you money for many more. Installation takes only about 2 hours, and it works with any truck, old or new, diesel or electric. Closing statement. Truck Wings isn't just a gadget, it's proof that small changes can drive big results. The road to efficiency is now just a panel away. Hook. Imagine turning an ordinary truck into a lifting giant with superhuman strength. That's exactly what the Zacklift D-BOOM 25T does. Features and benefits. This powerful boom arm is built as an add-on for the fifth wheel system, instantly upgrading your truck into a multi-purpose powerhouse. Extended, it can lift an impressive 8.1 tons with pinpoint precision. Retracted, and the capacity skyrockets to 22.6 tons, perfect for the heaviest, toughest jobs. Control is effortless and safe, thanks to its 6-button wireless remote, letting you operate the crane from a distance. Whether you're towing, recovering, or handling complex lifts, the D-BOOM delivers strength and control in one sleek package. Context and impact. This isn't just about lifting, it's about taking on jobs that would stop most trucks in their tracks. In high-pressure situations where precision and power are non-negotiable, the D-BOOM steps up and delivers. Closing statement. When brute strength meets smart engineering, you don't just get a crane, you get a game-changer. Hook. Imagine saving fuel every single trip, without changing how you drive. Features and benefits. Meet Eco Flaps and Eco Caps, 2 simple upgrades with powerful results. Eco Flaps are sleek, aerodynamic panels shaped like insect screens. Eco Caps? They're smart, streamlined hubcaps that cut through air resistance. Individually, they boost efficiency. Together, they work like a dream team for your truck. Context and real-world impact. A truck equipped with both can save 2.8 liters of fuel for every 1,000 kilometers. That's real money back in your pocket, and less fuel wasted for the planet. Installation is quick, no mechanical degree required. And if doing both at once feels like a leap, start with one. You'll still notice the difference. Closing statement. Because every kilometer counts, and every drop saved moves you further ahead. Meet the Halo Connect i3, the smart tire system that could save fleets a fortune. Truck tires are expensive, and every mile on the road adds to the cost. But what if there was a way to cut fuel use and prevent most tire problems, without slowing down for maintenance? That's exactly what the Halo Connect i3 delivers. This compact system installs in just 10 minutes, no special tools needed, and it's been tested on real roads for billions of kilometers. The results? Impressive. It constantly monitors tire pressure, load, temperature, and more, all in real time. If something's off, it automatically adjusts the pressure, even factoring in the tire's brand and model. The payoff is huge. Up to 2% less fuel consumed and a 70% drop in tire-related issues. For drivers and fleet managers, that means fewer breakdowns, lower costs, and more time on the road. The Halo Connect i3 isn't just a gadget, it's a game-changer for the trucking world. Paving the future has never been this easy. Meet the MRL Grind Pro, a road maintenance powerhouse that turns a messy, time-consuming job into a smooth, efficient process. This machine is like an entire crew packed into one smart system. It strips away old road markings, lays down fresh lines, and even cuts and grooves surfaces, all with incredible precision. And it's not just about speed. The built-in collection module traps dust, waste, and harmful particles, keeping the worksite cleaner and safer. Need fewer hands on the job? No problem. The Grind Pro can be operated by just one person, freeing up crews to tackle more roads in less time. That means cities can maintain better infrastructure without draining manpower or budgets. In short, the MRL Grind Pro isn't just fixing roads, it's rewriting the rulebook on how we maintain them. One machine, endless possibilities.